is oozing machismo.
Introducing the challenger from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 287 pounds, the bad guy, Ramon!
We are about to witness the unbelievable power from the bad guy.
And an intimidation factor that is off the charts.
As tough as they come, Razor never backs down from a fight. From fighting on the mean streets of Miami, Razor Ramon now sits on top of the world. We are about to witness a fight.
Not only that, we're about to see who's next.
Weighing in at 270 pounds, he is the NXT Champion, Goldberg!
Multiple WCW titles. This is completely uncalled for, but completely validated, Cole. Superstars in the ring, and the referee officially starts the match.
Well, this is the way we're starting, Cole. I think the WWE Universe is in for quite a show tonight.
Double axe handle.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
He's got a kendo stick, a weapon we've seen used to great effect time and time again.
Table matches seem almost incompatible with strategy. Is there anything you can plan on in this type of matchup?
Other than not letting yourself get put through a table? No, not really, Cole.
Razor failing to offer any resistance here.
Some flaws in Ramon's game plan being exposed. Caught the majority of that on the face, and now Razor's head is torn up.
Able to avoid any harm there.
Challenger's a little worse for wear now. And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble.
Face first into the chair. And you can tell there are true intentions in mind right now.
This is getting scary now. Nothing can survive this much.
And it is clear the mission now is to destroy and incapacitate.
Razor able to avoid impact.
And one more reversal. Talk about evenly matched here.
Oh my gosh!
Goldberg is completely off the leash.
Goldberg's gonna break someone in half. Ow!
Oh, God. Boom, what impact.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Double axe handle.
The challenger's hopes are slipping away.
This is a very dangerous situation now. Ramon is teetering on a razor's edge right here. I see what you did there.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
If you're looking to cause quick, sharp damage, you can't go wrong with the kendo stick.
Oh, colliding with a barricade. Ooh, that hurt. Oh, Great strength being shown here. Razor gets countered.
And a clothesline. Treating the torso to yet another attack. Oh! Ooh! Oh my goodness!
These are dangerous attacks on their own, but now the damage is exponentially multiplied. These are the kind of attacks that completely throw off your equilibrium.
This is just getting uncomfortable at this point.
Goldberg has his sights directly on his opponent now.
Bang! Oh, strong impact!
Battling at ringside can be very unforgiving. You have to be careful out there.
No protection out here. No safe confines to speak of.
Bullseye with the drop kick. Goldberg has got the target acquired.
Goldberg looking to end this. Up and down.
Jackhammer.
The title's going nowhere. Kiss your dreams. Good night. Been crushed inside.
And we might be about to go from commentators to participants in this one, fellas. Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation from the crowd and get back into the fight. Taking this to the floor.
He's looking completely lost as he finds his footing.
Goldberg, the power and the strength. Jackhammer.
Now that is why they're the champ.
Taking a big risk here by bringing the table into the action.
I can't begin to imagine what he's got planned here, guys.
Maybe it's a yard sale.
And his core has been taking a beating.
And you have to wonder if that's affecting his breathing.
One after another.
Watch out! They're coming towards the announce desk!
What the hell are you doing, Byron? We are beginning to reach a point of desperation in this match.
These athletes' bodies can only take them so far. You have to imagine they're reaching their breaking point.
He's got the target acquired. Just a match.
Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match.
I hope they back up. They're getting too close for comfort.
Well, no one's paying attention to you, Saxton. They're too busy beating the tar out of each other. This could be the beginning of the end.
Goldberg down with the jackhammer.
But champions need to finish the job. Razor slowly rising, unaware of what's next. Goldberg sees the finish line. This'll do it. Up and...
Jackhammer.
Can it be? Will the reign continue?
Senton from the apron.
Razor is in a distressing spot.
Some flaws in Ramon's game plan being exposed.
Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact.
Hope you boys put your running shoes on. It might be time to clear out.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see the jackhammer.
The champ will stay champ.
Oh my, apron senton.
No surprise that what we're witnessing is trending.
Forget trending on social media. The motion in the arena is charting on the Richter scale. Perched up top.
Look out below.
Taken out from high above. You gotta be some special kind of crazy to do that. Oh, the high risk pays off.
Just amazing athleticism being shown here. This match is spilled out to the ringside area. And as we can see, tension's really running high now.
Yeah, we should probably clear the way, guys.
The offense from Goldberg might be too overwhelming.
Goldberg is doing absolutely anything he wants right now.
Oh, look at this.
I don't want to be part of it. He puts him on the table. We know this will not end well.
Hoisted up, military press. Retains the title.
can't believe what we just saw. Tables matches are fan favorites for a reason, folks.
Here is your winner, and still the NXT Champion, Goldberg.
What an emphatic victory, guys. No contest.
An absolute statement by the victor here tonight. What a steamrolling.